Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to customize SIM card manager in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. First of all, open settings in your phone. Then go to connections here. And here you will find SIM manager. Just click on it so that you will have the options to customize two SIM cards, SIM 1 and SIM 2. You should have inserted before two SIM cards. If you have suppose inserted one SIM card, here SIM 1 will be only showing, other options will not be showing. Okay, so here I have inserted two SIM cards, so it's showing that two SIM cards have been inserted and they can be customized here. So what you to do, suppose if you would like to deactivate SIM 1 and if you would like to use SIM 2 temporarily, that is you are disabling SIM 1 temporarily and you use only SIM 2, then what you to do, click on this button off so that SIM 1 will be turned off, that is SIM 1 will be deactivated from your phone only. Okay, not fully deactivated from the service provider Jio. Okay, and if you would like to reactivate again, you can turn on this button so that you can easily enable it. Okay, also you have options to change the SIM card name. For example, by default SIM 1 is showing here. If you click over the SIM card, you can edit name and icon here. Okay, click on the edit name and icon, and here you can change name to any desired name. So here just I write Mingy. So hereafter SIM 1 will be named as Mingy in my phone. Okay, also you have the options to change the icon here. So you can select icons from the list provided here. I just choose this one and click on done. So icon is also changed, name also changed. Okay, you have also have the options to move contacts to phone. Click on move contacts to phone so that it will be moving to the contact. Okay, that is contacts saved in SIM will be moved to phone itself. Okay, and go back. In a similar way, you can rename SIM 2. Okay, click on SIM 2 and here also you can change name. Click here to change name and icon. Here just I delete the available text SIM 2 and I write my own text Mickey. So SIM 2 is now Mickey. Click on done. Okay, also you have the options to change the icon. Get any desired icon from here. Okay, and click on done. Also you have the options to move contacts from the SIM 2 to your phone. Okay, and go back. Then next you see calls options. If you click on it, you can change the preferred SIM for calling. For example, here preferred SIM is now set to Mickey, that is SIM 2. Suppose if you would like to use SIM 1 frequently, change it to SIM 1, that is Mingy here. Okay, suppose if you would like to choose the options from the SIM 1 and SIM 2, you can use ask always, so that when you dial any number, your phone will always ask whether to choose SIM 1 or SIM 2. Okay, so it is better to use ask always because you don't know which SIM you are going to use, you are going to call at the time. Suppose if you set SIM 1 previously and suppose when you are calling, if you are choosing to SIM 2, then it will be difficult. So you have to change the settings, then only you can make the call through SIM 2. Okay, so it is better to use ask always. Okay, then messages. Here also you have the options to select SIM 1 or SIM 2. Here I select Mingy SIM 1. Okay, in a similar way you can set mobile data from which SIM to be used. So here click on mobile data and select the SIM for the mobile data. Okay, suppose if you have only mobile data in SIM 1, you can choose SIM 1 Mingy. Suppose if you have only mobile data in SIM 2, just to choose SIM 2. Okay, if you would like to off completely, you can select off. Okay, also you can turn off mobile data through the notification settings. That is some quick settings here. Okay, this is the options to enable or disable mobile data. Okay, and also you have other options, data switching and backup calling. Okay, if you have enabled these options, what will happen? Data will be switched when one SIM data is completely used or it is unavailable. For example, if you are using two SIM cards and if you have set SIM 1 as the mobile data, so if SIM 1 data has been exhausted, then what will happen? Automatically SIM 2 will be used for data consuming. Okay, if you have turned on this button, that is called data switching. Okay, then click on more settings, and here also you have other options like dual SIM always on. Okay, so yes, here you can choose the available options. Forward calls to any available SIM, or only forward calls from Mingy to Mickey, or only forward calls from Mickey to Mickey. It is better to use forward calls to any available SIM. Okay, suppose if SIM 1 is not available, it will be automatically forwarded. That is called receiving to the SIM 1 will be automatically forwarded to the SIM 2. Okay, if you choose other options, only that particular options will be enabled. For example, if you choose the second one, only forward calls from Mingy to Mickey, that means if only Mingy is not available, that is SIM 1 is not available, then only that call will be forwarded to the SIM 2. But if SIM 2 is not available, it will not be forwarded to SIM 1. Okay, that is Mickey is not available, that means calls receiving on Mickey will not be forwarded to the Mingy. And third one is only forward calls from Mickey to Mingy. That means if Mickey is not available, Mickey means here SIM 2. SIM 2 is not available, then it will be forwarded to the SIM 1, that is Mingy. Okay, so it is better to use forward calls to any available SIM. That is better options. Okay, and click on next, and it will be enabled. So in this way, you can set several settings in this SIM card managers. This is called customization of SIM card as per your wish. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.